The choice of silicone was, you could say, the icing on the cake of the last 2 years of experimentation. The big revolution we see in this material is that after pre-approving it internally for performance, we've tested it, simulating the approval cycle of a product we made with liquid silicone or injection molded TPE. Having passed this gate, it's clear that it becomes an alternative material for us. The major work we're doing in parallel internally, but also with partners like Stratasys and material producers, is to find more and more of a technological process compromise, but technological paired with materials. So also in terms of performance and process cost, to be able to create an intermediate step that's no longer, say, pre-series. So I needed to validate the product. I need a few pieces which will never be mass production, but an intermediate that allows us to make a few hundred pieces without having to make what's called a pilot mold, but with the same or very similar characteristics, both to the additive part already pre-approved and getting close to the polymer we'll use in the future.